Hi guys, I'm gonna play the piano, but it's mainly, the video is just mainly about me singing. It's not like, amazing, yeah. But I'm playing only a few bits on the piano, like the main singing bits, not the background chords and stuff. But yeah, it's one of my favourite songs, like Moulin Rouge, because it's one of my favourite films. So yeah, don't be mean, please be nice. Okay. I'll play the intro bit first.